What up, Kyler? What you doing? You watching Minecraft videos? You gonna play Minecraft?
Kyler, yo.
You gonna be on Minecraft? You gonna be playing Minecraft after school?
Yeah.
I be playing Minecraft. Hey, Kyler. Hey, what song you listening to? Trap Queen by Fetty Wap. Hey, good.
I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Since your pretty ass soon as you came in the door. I just wanna chill, got a sack for us to roll. Married to the money.
Hey, what song you listening to? My way.
Baby, would you go my way? Baby, won't you come my way? Got something I want to say. Can I keep you on my... Wait, fuck.
What? What up, Kyler?
Lost, bro.
What?
No. Yesterday we lost. Why? You told me yesterday we lost in wiffle ball.
What?
We coming back. It's coming.
Yeah, we're going crazy today.
Yeah,
we're going crazy today.
Yeah. Ain't that? Yeah, that's right.